How to get longer and thicker hair faster with Miracle Leaf Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is not just a potted plant. It's a nature's gift for healthy hair packed with vitamins, minerals and enzymes. This miracle leaf works wonders. Here is a simple DIY aloe vera hair mask to kickstart your hair transformation. Cut open an aloe vera leaf and extract the gel. Apply the fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp and hair. Massage it gently to ensure it reaches the roots. Aloe vera promotes hair growth by nourishing the hair follicles, reducing dandruff, and balancing the pH level of your scalp. Leave the aloe vera hair mask on about 30 minutes to an hour. Its natural goodness will work magic on your hair. Rinse your hair thoroughly and voila! You are on the way to longer, thicker and healthier locks. Repeat this process twice a week if possible for the best results. Begin your journey today and witness the transformation. Follow us more at the NCC